Hey guys, how are you? I hope you are fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness. And you have a lot of fun in your life. Friend, this is me Asya and welcome to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. Today I'll show you in this video so stylish and trendy ideas of bob haircut in short hair. With beautiful hair dye, very attractive and stylish hairstyling. And many much more beautiful and trendy ideas of bob haircut in short hair with beautiful hair dye, hairstyling for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. First of all, I'll talk about hair dye. Blonde hair dye, different shade of blonde, lightly blonde, dark blonde, ash blonde, and gold blonde. So attractive collection of burgundy hair dye and light brown, dark brown, ash color, grey color, black color, and some ideas in funky colors. And a very attractive collection of hairstyling. Fine hair hairstyle, wavy curly hairstyling. Some ideas wave and curl naturally, and some ideas make curl with curler. And so attractive collection of spiky hairstyle, beautiful spike with undercut. And messy hairstyle. And very attractive trendy collection of haircut in bob. Some ideas layered, deep layered. Some ideas step, undercut. And latest cut, trendy, most demanding cut ideas, notching haircut, choppy haircut, and some ideas with bang. Mostly ideas of bob haircut, bang, two-sided bang. And so attractive collection of bob haircut with attractive and stylish hairstyling, beautiful hair dye for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. And you look very pretty and you look so sweet. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support or help, so I hope you do this. And share it on all over social media accounts. So thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll be right back with new collection, new ideas. Take care of yourself and take care of your loved ones and those around you. I hope you do it. Bye bye.